Hi, it's Adreset, and today I'll show you how to fix apps crashing or freezing on Motorola Razr 70. So first, when your app is crashing or freezing, first try to close it in the background, of course, and clear all the background apps. Then go into the settings, find apps, select your app, and here you should have the storage and cache, and clear cache. Also, you can force stop the app and try restarting your phone, and that's pretty much it. Also, you can check if in Google Play Store you can find the update for this app. Thanks for watching, don't forget to leave a like, and see you in the next one.